Hello, and welcome to another topic in computer science. This one is going to be about inheritance and polymorphism. So inheritance is basically where you have a subclass and a superclass. The superclass in this case would be the animal, and the subclass could be, well, such as dog and cat, a type of animal. So we'll make a dog and a cat subclass. They'll have calls that will be meow and bark, for example. So let's create class dog colon public animal and have its call. Okay, now first to do this, we need to have something called a virtual function. This is where polymorphism comes in. Polymorphism is where you can have many different functions of type, methods of different types, such as a regular call, like this is my call, and bark and meow. So put virtual here. Virtual void call. Okay. Void call. Well, first let's put public void call and its call would be bark in the L. Now we can also create a cat. Create a cat. Copy paste. Cat and say meow. Okay. Now, whoops. I put that inside the animal class. That's not what you're supposed to do. This all is supposed to go underneath. Sorry about that. So, these are new classes. We go outside. Okay. Now what we can do, and this is part of polymorphism, is where you create pointers actually to objects. So let's say animal. Let's create a dog, D, cat, C, create an animal. We can set that equal to, no, let's create an animal pointer. I'm sorry. Animal pointer, set it equal to the address of D, another animal pointer, set it to the address of C, and now Oh, we have to give these names. I'm sorry. Animal 1 and animal 2. Okay. So now let's say animal 1 dot call. That's the notation. It's actually an arrow. So let's see that out. Let's see out that. See out animal 1 call and line. And let's see out animal 2 call and line. Now we should get bark and meow. Well, we should get these heights and weights, but after that we should get bark and meow. Whoops. Okay, I see where the error is. We don't need to see out the statement. We simply call the function. This is a see out within the function. I'm sorry about that. Now, bark, meow. Now, I'm gonna let you review all this code, go through it all, and hopefully you understand it. If you don't, just watch the video again. But this is the basics of polymorphism, classes, inheritance, and everything you need to know about classes, inheritance, and for the most part, polymorphism. There's another thing about polymorphism, and it's called abstract data types. And an abstract data type is simply a virtual void, a virtual class that's set to 0. It's hard to explain, but it's when this is set to 0 instead of filled with anything, and when these has to be strictly set to something when they normally aren't needed to be set to something. But that, for the most part, what I showed you is what you need to know about polymorphism. So, I appreciate your time, and next we'll be learning about the standard template library, and we'll be done with the course. So, thank you for watching.